going to show you how to replace air cabin filter for Honda Accord 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord. First thing you do, take your stuff out. And then what you want to do is push this down and then push the two sides down. Okay, now you see the arrow in the right and the arrow in the left. So there's a clip here. So what you do is these two clips, you push it in and then pull it out, the cover. And then here's your filter right here. You take it out. Now, when you get a new one, when you want to put a new one, you want to make sure the airflow arrow pointing down, just like that, airflow pointing down. And then you put it on. And then you close it, put your cover back on. Make sure you hear the click. Now you want to put this clip back on and then push the two sides in and close it up. See how easy it is? If I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.